What's going on, everybody? In today's video, I want to show you how you can make money from home. If you take a look at the website right here, you can see this is an online work from home opportunity. So this is great for anybody with no previous skills, no startup money, or nothing like that. This is not going to be like drop shipping or affiliate marketing or social media marketing. It's not going to be any of the other business models that we've previously talked about on this channel. This is actually going to be doing little services on the internet using this website. It's not going to pay you tons and tons and tons of money. It's not like it's meant to replace your current job, but it is a great source of income for like a side income, a little extra money here and there. So take a look right here. You can see it's got free registration. So we're not worried about having to pay for this. You get timely payments, meaning they pay you on time almost instantly. You get 24/7 online support. So if you ever have any issues, if you ever have any questions, you could just reach out to somebody and they'll be more than happy to assist you. And then again, this does not matter where you're at in the world. You could be over in the Philippines, Bangladesh, India, it doesn't matter. You can get global exposure on this site. So before I tell you what the site is, I do want to go over some of the things that you can do on this site. So let's take a look here. You can see right here, here's some of the services this site provides. So you could do typing jobs. So you can earn $4 to $6 per page, 2,000 words online and offline typing. So they'll give you typing assignments and they'll pay you anywhere between $4 to $6 per a page. So if you get like 10 pages worth of work, you can make it anywhere between $40 to $60. Let's take a look. They also have proofreading jobs. You can earn anywhere from $5 to $10 per page proofreading, and you see you could use Microsoft Word files and checking for spelling and grammatical errors. Again, you could just sit there and you can make, if you have 10 pages, you can make anywhere between $50 to $100 based off the amount of pages that you proofread. And there's always softwares and stuff out there that can help you do this. If you're willing to invest in those, that is an option. But if you have the skills or the knowledge or the time to be able to just do this, you could come in here and apply to do some proofreading, and they'll pay you $5 to $10 per page. On the next opportunity, you got the paid survey jobs. I'm not a big fan of surveys personally. You may, if you like to give out your opinions, input your opinion about various products and services, and you can get paid to do this, anywhere from $5 to $50 per survey, probably depending on whoever hosts the survey is and how long it is. It's going to be variable, but you can make upwards of $50 just putting your opinion on some surveys. Let's take a look right here. You can see they have a graphic design jobs. Those pay anywhere from $15 to $40 per assignment, maybe like logos and anything like Photoshop, it says. And again, if you don't have these specific graphic skills or whatever, or you could outsource, or you find somebody cheaper, you could outsource this on like freelance websites such as Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, and stuff like that. Move over here. You got PowerPoint presentation jobs. They'll pay you $3 per PowerPoint slide. So imagine if you have like 100 slide PowerPoint that needs to be put together. You can make upwards of $300 just creating a PowerPoint for somebody else. Another opportunity you have is the Spreadsheet Entry Job. They pay anywhere from 2 cents to 4 cents per cell. If you're good at like Excel and stuff, I'm really not, so it's not something I would apply for. But you could put data. It's a data entry job, so you input in the information into pretty little spreadsheets and make them look good. Scroll down a little bit more, you can see you could do a voice recognition job, conversion of medical prescription slips into textual and audio format. They pay anywhere from $15 to $40 per assignment. So again, you can see it's a little extra income, a little side hustle money. You can do online advertisement. They'll pay you 50 cents per ad posted. Advertising new global web portals with easy tools provided is pay per post sort of program. So they'll provide you the tools, and you'll be able to just post the ads. So you'll probably create the ad copy, which would be like the body language or the text that is in the ad, and then maybe like the image or the ad creative. Again, they give you the tools. You can do that, 50 cents per ad post. Doesn't seem like it's going to pay as much, but if you do multiple ads, it can add up. And then take a look at this one right here, language translation jobs. And this seems to be a very lucrative choice right here. You can earn anywhere from $10 to $30 per page. 1,200 words. So translation of various document formats from one language to another. So just imagine if you have a 10 pages to translate, that could be anywhere from $100 to $300, just having 10 pages to translate. And again, you could outsource this if you need to, if the numbers make sense and you can still profit from it. Outsource it, maybe use a software or something, kind of like Google Translate. It's a free software. Again, it's not the best translation tool, so I would also be kind of weary about doing something like that. But if you have the time and the skills and the ability to translate, then you can do that as well. So let's just take a look. If you wanted to pick one of these jobs, let's say we want to do graphic design, right? You would just click, you see the text right below it, designing Corel Draw and Photoshop graphics and exporting them to various file format. So if you wanted to see if there's any available jobs and you wanted to do this, you would just click it right here. And it's going to bring you over to the application page. And you can see right here, great clients, rewarding work, and the flexibility of working virtual. Become a graphic designer. So full-time and part-time remote positions. And it has a bunch of information about it. If you're interested, scroll down a little bit. Skills and requirements. Important right here, you must be 16 years of age to do this. A can-do attitude, that is what it is. A computer with up-to-date software, so you'll need a computer to do this. A fast and reliable internet connection, you can see you need to be a friendly person or it's just a friendly job. So those are some of the things that you need. You can scroll through here and look, and scroll down just a little bit more and it'll tell you about what the benefits are. Competitive pay, we already know they pay $15 to $40 per graphic design work, exceeding the US average hourly wage for graphic designers. So that's one of the great benefits of this site, is they already exceed the average hourly wage for graphic designers in the United States, giving this a great opportunity for you to make a little extra income at a great rate and not just having to rub two nickels together. You know, like on Fiverr, it can be really cheap to get work or to make money on Fiverr. You get paid very little, $5-10. You see them maybe 15 to 40. Flexible hours. Feel free to form 9 to 5 job, work where you want, when you want. So that's a great thing, obviously working from the computer, and then great colleagues. So if you are interested in this, you would just scroll all the way down to the bottom and you can see right here, apply below. If you're interested in becoming a graphic designer for hirescene.com, please sign up, and the application is right here. So you're going to apply right here, and as you saw, the website is Hirescene. Hirsine. So that'll be the website that you'll go to see all of these jobs, and then how to apply. You'll set up, fill the steps out to fill up your online job application. So now that we know what the website is, if you jump over to hirescene.com, this is what the web page or homepage will look like. And it tells you all different types of things. You could click start working from home, but let's just scroll down a little bit and look at some of the few benefits of working from home. Obviously, better flexibility, more time, and freedom. You can sit here, you can scroll down, find work, and get hired. But let's just see what they're talking about. It tells you, are you looking to hire a freelancer or work online? Looking to work, so we hit start working. And you can see they've done over 380,000 projects. There's a lot of workers, plenty of clients, and they've gotten awards. If you scroll down, they've worked with companies like Torrey Pines, Taylor, IKEA, BMW, and Ubisoft. So if you scroll all the way to the top, you can see this part right here, current openings. You could click that, and it will bring you to that page that we were just on, where it shows you the different job types. Again, typing jobs, proofreading, and stuff like that. And if you're interested in any specific job type, you would just click the little description down below it, and then it will bring you to that page talking about what they do, the requirements, and stuff. And then if you want to apply to become a survey panelist, I guess that's what I clicked. You would just click apply, and then you would sign up. Right here, you put your application in to be able to do this. So I hope that was helpful. Again, thanks everybody for being here. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and then smash that little like button for me to help me grow this channel so I can put more content out for you. Thanks for being here, and we'll see you in the next one.